what's your name?
I'm Forrest.
Nice. And how many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages.
3 languages. And can you tell me what languages those are?
My mother language is Cantonese, but then I also know I also know how to speak Mandarin, and I speak English.
So can you tell me how long have you been in Canada for?
I came in November. I've been here for like 5 months.
5 months.
Yeah.
Really nice. How many languages do you speak?
I speak like 2 languages. The first language is English. Then I also speak the language for back home.
How exactly did you learn English?
My English education starts back in my primary school. So back in Hong Kong, we got English education since primary school.
Oh, primary school.
Yeah, until secondary school.
So that's great. So it wasn't challenging when you moved here. No language barriers.
I think still a little bit because when I learned English in school, it's mostly academic style.
Yeah.
So, but when I moved here, you use it more like in a daily lifestyle.
Yeah.
So there's a bit of difference in
Difference,
that.
yes. So how exactly did you learn English?
English, for us back home, English is our first language.
Oh, nice. So you study in English?
Yeah, we study in English.
Oh, okay. So you didn't have any issues with language barriers when you moved to Canada?
No, I didn't find a lot of language barriers because we always speak English, like back home.
Yes.
It is our first language.
Oh,
We study
very
it
nice.
since childhood.
So have you ever taken the IELTS exam?
Yes, I did.
Yes. Academic or general?
Academic.
Academic. Okay, very nice. So you came here as a student?
No, I came here as a worker.
Okay.
Yeah, but I took IELTS academic before.
Okay. And so what part of the IELTS exam was the most challenging?
I think it's speaking.
Speaking,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
So do you remember, how long ago did you take the exam?
Probably like more than half year ago.
You probably remember what type of questions you were asked in the speaking section?
Let me think about it.
Or at least the topic?
I think it's about my job. Yeah,
Oh, your
it's about
job.
my job.
Okay. How did you practice for the speaking section?
So I went online.
Uh-huh.
I went to YouTube and
Okay.
searched for some videos that have IELTS question.
Yes.
And I look at the question and then I just practice like it's the question to me.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
So you just formatted your answers based on those type of questions.
Yeah.
Yes. So what was your band score if you'd like to share it?
You mean overall?
Overall, yes.
I got an 8 overall.
Can you give advice for students who are looking to improve in their writing skills? How could you become a better writer?
Like a better writer, of course they have to they are supposed to read. They are supposed to have some books like textbooks for reading, so that it can really help them to improve their English.
So how do you think someone could improve in their writing skills?
Writing is a difficult part, I think.
Yeah.
I think probably read more newspapers, I
Yes,
guess. Yeah.
yes, I would definitely agree.
Yeah.
And so, can you give any last minute tips for anyone who's looking to improve in their English in general?
Yeah, of course. I would like to at least to encourage them. They should join courses of which can help them at least study more English so that they can improve on their English.
Yes. So, what advice could you give to somebody who's looking to pass the IELTS exam in general or even the speaking section?
I think practicing is very important.
Yes.
Yeah, you should try to look for different resources online.
Yes.
Yeah, there are different courses
Yes.
and videos.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, do you think watching English movies or with English subtitles would help someone?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
do. Yeah, because it helps you to familiarize with English.
Yes.
Yeah, it helps with your listening and your reading and
Yes.
your speaking.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much. Any last minute advice you would like to give to our students who are looking to take IELTS?
Just I think just don't be afraid of English.
Yes.
And then practice more and use it in your daily life, and
Yeah.
I think it'll be good.
Yes, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
Thank